सनबर्न फेस्टिवल आयोजकांनी सरकारच्या मान्यतेशिवाय प्री सेल तिकिटांसाठी बुकिंग करण्याचे जाहीर आवाहन केले आहे. सरकारने याबाबत आयोजकाविरोधात गुन्हा नोंद करण्याची गरज असल्याचं मत विरोधी पक्षनेते आमदार युरी आलेमाव यांनी मांडलंय. दक्षिण गोव्यात सनबर्न फेस्टिवलला परवानगी देऊन लोकसभा निवडणुकीतील पराभवाचा बदला घेण्याचा भाजप सरकारचा डाव असून सरकारचे सनबर्न आयोजकांशी साठेलोटे असून सनबर्न फेस्टिवल दक्षिण गोव्यात आयोजित करण्यासाठी दिलेल्या जाहिरातीवर सरकार कोणतीच कारवाई करत नसल्याचा आरोपही युरी आलेमाव यांनी केला आहे.
It is shocking to see that the Sunburn organizers have started selling pre-sale tickets on their official X website, and it is shocking to see the deafening silence of the Honorable Chief Minister. He has not yet opened up on Sunburn being organized in South Goa. I demand that immediately an FIR should be registered and these Sunburn organizers should be dealt with very, very harshly. Traditionally, they organize it in the North Goa, but we will oppose this Sunburn concept in Goa altogether. We do not require Sunburn in Goa. The Honorable Chief Minister should make sure that such type of festivals that come to Goa to spoil our heritage, to spoil the name of Goa. Goa then gets the name of being the drug capital of the country. And I request the Honorable Chief Minister and his party not to take revenge of the Lok Sabha defeat on the people of South Goa. Immediately register an FIR so that these Sunburn organizers can know that they cannot take Goa for granted. Otherwise, we will all know that these people have done this particular pre-sale of tickets with the blessings of the Chief Minister and his government.